For those of you working on a 2013 Honda CRV and are wondering where the PCV valve is, it's right down here. As we go straight down, it's that guy right there. See it? What we're going to need to replace that guy is a 17mm wrench right here. A gear wrench or Husky will do just fine. We need ourselves a light because it's getting dark. We need ourselves the PCV valve from the dealer. We want Honda America parts on this only to keep the sustainability of the vehicle. There's the part number right there for you in case you were looking for it. Now, we're going to go ahead and get that guy off, but we need a special tool because that guy looks like it's going to be a pain to get off. All right, guys, seeing that the Astro Pneumatic tool didn't work because of how tight that is right there, we're going to go ahead and try these angled needle nose pliers. We're going to try to come in from underneath and get it. And that did it, boys. A 17mm wrench. There you go. Nice and loose. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull them out. My hand. He came out, and there you go. It's right there. But you got to make sure you get the crush washer. Right there. The crush washer. Make sure you get him. Don't leave him on there. You'll cause a problem. We've got the brand new one right here. And as you see, the crush washer's right on there. Let's go ahead and get him on there. And we always want to start by hand, guys. We're gonna go in there with a 17mm, tighten up that PCV valve. You don't need a lot of strength, just get her snug and tight. There you go. Next, we're gonna do the obvious. We're gonna put the hose back on here. Now, just as we removed it before, needle nose down, and we need to move that clamp back up. Kind of help it with your fingers up here, and there you go. It's clamped again. And that's it. That's the PCV valve on a 2013 Honda. And I think you should do this at least every 100,000 miles